So a lot of people don't realize how powerful a chiropractic adjustment can be for helping somebody overcome every illness from asthma to respiratory issues to digestive issues, even to the common cold or flu. Think about this, your brain sends signals to all of your immune organs on how to function. And I can tell you, I've taken care of so many kids over the years and adults. They come in with a cold and flu, they'll get a chiropractic adjustment, and these people will realize or notice that now their sinuses are working better. Their lungs are working better. Their entire immune system is functioning at the highest level possible. And so that's critical, that when somebody is sick from everything, in my opinion, from the common cold to diabetes, to heart disease, to hormonal related issues and digestive issues, they should first go out and seek a natural practitioner. And today, our conventional medical system is really designed for one thing, and that's emergency care. If somebody's in emergency, if somebody is in a car accident, we have the best emergency medical system in the world, but that's when we should be seeking out our conventional medical system today.
We've seen kids who don't, autistic children who are labeled with autism, who were nonverbal, who can speak again. We've seen kids who have been on all kinds of ADHD medications get off of these things. We've seen, and adults the same way. We had one adult who was on the spectrum and was painfully shy and not really doing as well in his classes, and now he's doing so much better, and he's taking photography classes and really getting out there and kind of pushing himself in a way he never did before. So there's always a chance for a child or an adult to change because of the idea of neuroplasticity.
There was one study that came out in 2007 that actually showed two groups. One group had a chiropractor as their primary care doctor, one that they went to frequently for things that would come up. Another group that went to the medical doctor primarily. And they measured, they followed these two groups of people, and then after a certain period of time, they looked at the results in terms of what do their numbers look like. The group that considered the chiropractor as their primary source of problems that they would see on a regular basis had 62% less surgeries, 59% less missed work days. They had 60% less visits into a hospital. And the most astonishing was they had 85% less pharmaceutical costs. So the people that saw a chiropractor on a regular basis compared to those who saw a medical doctor had 85% less pharmaceutical costs. This is the stuff that gets excited, because we now know then if we could start to get this information to more people, that could change the fabric of an entire culture.